I subscribe to Beauty Box, Boxy Box. My husband calls this Boxy Box instead of Boxycharm. I find that adorable. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing beauty product reviews, hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you are curious to see what I got in the September 2020 Boxyluxe, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. For those who are new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription service. They have 3 different box sizes. A $25 a month box where you receive 5 full-size products, a $35 a month service where you receive 7 to 8 full-size products, and they have an option where you can upgrade the $25 a month box 4 times a year, so every quarter, for an additional $25. That month the box value will be $50, but you receive 12 full-size items. Alright, let's get started and dig in to the September 2020 box and see what it got. The box this month is huge. It weighs, I don't know, 4 to 5 pounds. I looked, I couldn't find any weight on the shipping. I think it comes UPS, FedEx, I don't know. But let's dig in and see what I got. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. And there is a card. This month, the theme is Glam Vibes Only. And I am iteration, shut up, 100. Wow. Has anyone else? Comment down below if you have ever seen anyone else's unboxing or your own box with an iteration that's triple digit. That's crazy. Alright, let's dig in and see what the first item is. It is large. Ooh, I think this is going to be some brushes. This is from Pure, the Complexion Authorities. Let's see what the card has to say. Okay, the Pure Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set, which retails for $49. Alright, so the first item in this box pretty much paid for the box. Whoa. Look how cute. They're pink with white little fluffy tips. So you have a eyelash, eye brush, several eyeshadow brushes, blush, contour, highlighter. Alright, crinkling no bueno. I'm going to take one out of the plastic so we can see. Oh, they're very, very soft. Okay, I'm excited. Next item. Oh, I see a very, very nice brand name. This is from Fenty. What is this? Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil. I'm going to read the card and figure out what that is. Okay, this is the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter, which retails for $36. Alright, let's cross our fingers that Boxycharm read my profile and got a shade that matches. I love the packaging of Fenty. This hexagon shape. Oh! Interesting. We have a purple and a pink. That is not the shades I was expecting. I'm going to put this back in the box. Maybe watch some other people's reviews to see if it's what these shades look like. Because if I'm not going to use it, I might as well put it in a future giveaway. All right, next item. Holy cow. This is huge, big, and heavy. What is this? Keratherapy Deep Conditioning Mask, which is infused with keratin. Let me read what the card has to say. All right, the Deep Conditioning Mask retails for $24. It says this intense, nourishing, and hydrating treatment revives hair that has been dried or damaged by environmental or styling stresses. It contains jojoba, walnut, and chestnut oils, which penetrate deeply into the hair. All right, I am going to admit I've never used a hair mask before. My hair is quite short. I will contemplate as it gets longer and longer if I want to use this. Otherwise, this will be in a future giveaway. All right, next item. Ooh, I see a palette. What is this? I don't know what this is. Let's see what the card has to say. Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette, retails for $46. Let's see what kind of color story this palette has. Please be something I can wear. Oh, there's a mirror. And these are very colorful. They are not anything. I'm not brave enough to wear these, but that means this will be in a giveaway. It looks like there are 20 shades, and I would say at least 5 are shimmer and the rest are matte. All right, next item. Oh my God, this is what weighs a ton, whatever this is. Okay. If any of you subscribe to FabFitFun, I swear to God they had this exact same brand, and if not the exact same brand, this very similar product, I want to say in their spring box. Let's read what the card has to say. This here is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask, which retails for $40. It says this weighted sleep mask uses the same science behind the gravity weighted blanket to give your face the perfect pressure stimulation. I subscribe to Boxycharm and particularly pay $50 4 times a year because I enjoy skincare and makeup. No, Boxycharm, stop trying to be like FabFitFun. I am not thrilled with this item, and frankly, this box so far is not very good. All right, next item. This weighs a ton as well. All right, this is from 111 Skin, and it is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, which retails for $135. What's sad is I don't use face masks. I'll do the under eye ones, but I don't have the patience to pull my hair. All right. Holy cow. I know this brand is super bougie, super expensive. How many do you get in here for 105? You only get 5 masks for $135? What? Yep. God, I wish I could do math. What's 135 divided by 5? $27 each. One mask is $27. That is insane. And a waist, 'cause I won't use or wear that. All right. Next item. This is by a brand I've never heard of called Persona. And it is a lip gloss. This had better be a color I can wear. I was so excited when I saw that the Boxyluxe showed up today. Lately, my boxes have been arriving really late. And of course, Boxycharm, did you even look at my profile? I'm extremely fair and have blonde hair. This would look lovely on all you ladies out there with deep to dark skin tones. This is gonna... No. Alright, let's read what the card has to say. Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss. This retails for $16. This will also be in a future giveaway. Alright, last item. Please be good. Tomato serum. What? I love serum. Never heard of a tomato serum. Who's this by? Byroe. Alright, let's read what the card has to say. Okay, the Byroe tomato serum retails for $150? Shut up. What? Sorry, I'm speechless. Okay, well, hopefully I like this because the rest of the box was not very good. Damn, $150? This isn't even worth that. Tomato serum is a powerful treatment that contains gently exfoliating tomato extract, brightening vitamin C, and collagen boosting peptides. It transforms your skin into a brighter, more youthful version of itself while imparting a healthy, luminous glow. It retails for $150. I'm speechless. This is $150? How many milliliters is that? It looks like it's going to be 30 milliliters. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Well, let's see what 100 and... Oh, it has one of those where you... Well, wait. I'm confused. Oh, I thought it was going to have a pump. Interesting. It has like a push instead of a squeezy. And there is a dropper. Oh. And it's thick. And I just put like $3 on my hand by accident. It doesn't have a scent, but I swear it has alcohol in it, because the first sniff was, it smelled like alcohol. Alright, comment down below if you subscribe to Boxycharm and pay the extra $25 4 times a year for the Boxyluxe. Let me know. Did you get a good box? Did you like my box? I did not like my box this month. I'm not going to lie. Last month's $25 5-item box was better than this box. Let's recap what was in the September 2020 Boxyluxe. We received a 12 brush travel set, a weighted gravity eye mask, a hair mask, a lip gloss, Fenty Beauty highlighter in some purple and pink shades, an eyeshadow palette from a brand I'm not familiar with, a $135 set of 5 masks, face masks from 111 Skin, and a $150 tomato serum. Leave your thoughts. Was this a fantastic box for you? Was this I honestly, the price value is going to be super high, but it doesn't matter if I don't use or like the products. Too dark. I don't use face masks. I'm not adventurous when it comes to eyeshadow. I have short hair. I don't use a hair mask. This shade is purple and pink. No. That leaves brushes and a serum. Honestly, I have so many brushes. This is very cute. If and when we can travel again, maybe. But this box wasn't very good. I'm going to list all of the items on the screen with the grand total. I'm sure this box value is outrageous when 2 items alone make this box $285 and there are 6 other products. So if you're only going off a box price, I'm sure this one is stellar. However, when you go by what products you like and use, this box is a big old dud. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. And please leave me a comment. Tell me what you got in your box. Tell me what iteration you got. Your box had to be 100 times better than my box. Also, let me know if you love my box. Maybe we can do a box swap, because honestly, anyways, thanks everyone.